I'm just your average person that had the unfortunate luck of having my identity stolen. Basically, I had multiple accounts opened up and it was an ongoing problem. They were saying I owed nearly $3,000. What am I going to do? I got to start calling these banks. I got to do this. I got to start checking my bank account, do different things, and I was feeling overwhelmed. I contacted LifeLock. It was like a weight lifted off my shoulders. They immediately got on the ball and tried to get it resolved. They got the first situation resolved. Then there was a secondary situation that came up. Again, I contacted them. Same person helped me, got it resolved again, and I've had no problems since. And that's a great peace of mind. Thank you, LifeLock, for what you've done for me and my family.